Hey Ryan, what do you think your wedding fishing trip?
Best fishing trip I've ever been on.
Best fishing trip I've ever been on.
Dave?
Best halibut trip I've ever been on for sure.
Had an opportunity to fish with a good friend of ours. Headed out of Seward yesterday morning. Halibut fished all day. Slept on the boat. Halibut fished all day today. Some of the most incredible fishing I've ever had. It was a very special trip. Had my son Cooper on the boat. If you haven't ever fished up here, you've got to make an opportunity for it. It was absolutely incredible. Some of the best fishing I've ever had.
Oh, I can't wait.
Ready to strike.
Stick him.
Ready to strike. Ready to strike his head.
Oh, I finally got him again. And it was just like, oh. He's going back now. Take this.
Like the wheels that do come like that and run right away. Oh yeah. It's a good sound. They got me working now. Gotcha. Shotgun, please. Woo! Let's freaking go.
Holy smokes. That's awesome.
Oh, good fish. Okay, we're having a day. It's time to get back in the water. That's a good fish.
Oh, he just hooked it on the head. Hey, welcome aboard our new crewmate.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Welcome aboard. I thought you said you wanted it.
Why not?
Yeah.
Halibut tacos on the boat after a heck of a day. I'll take it. Fall asleep, Cooper? Did you have fun? We're headed in. How big was your biggest fish?
55 inches.
How much did it weigh?
82 pounds.
82 pounds. Two that were 109, one that was 121, and a whole bunch that were 50, 40, 60, all that good stuff. So, headed in. Awesome trip.